Okay, now we'll do some structures of electrovalent compounds. This is in fact electron dot structure. See, for sodium chloride, this is an ionic compound, electrovalent compound. Sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. Now how to draw them? First you should know their atomic number, or it should be given. Now the electronic configuration is 281. For chlorine it is 2, 8 and 7. Now electron dot structure means you have to just show the last shell electrons, not others. In orbital structure you have to show all, but in electron dot structure you can show only the last shell. Now how to do this? Now see, sodium having one electron, its electronic configuration is 281, and chlorine have 7 electrons. So sodium will give 1 electron to chlorine. So sodium will become stable, chlorine will also become stable. So it gives 1 electron. Now since sodium loses 1 electron, so it becomes +1, and chlorine gains 1 electron of sodium. So it becomes -1. Okay, we generally use a dot and cross to represent two different atoms, electrons of two different atoms. So therefore we use dot and cross. And then finally, you know what we got? Sodium lost 1 electron and it becomes Na+. So this is cations, and chlorine becomes chloride ions, and then now these two ions, they form a bond and they form a compound, sodium chloride. So this bond is known as ionic bond. So this is the structure of sodium chloride. You should do all. I have given in my notes all the structure. Here I will show you just some of them. Now see, calcium chloride or magnesium chloride also similar. Now calcium, it is 20, the atomic number. Chlorine again it's 17. Now it is 2, 8, 8 and 2. Chlorine is 2, 8 and 7. So calcium have 2 electrons and chlorine have 7 electrons. 7. Now calcium will lose 2 electrons to become stable, but this chlorine can take only 1 electron to become stable. So chlorine, if this chlorine takes 1 electron, it becomes stable. So what happens? This calcium loses this electron to another chlorine atom. So hence calcium requires 2 chlorine atom to become stable. So this will go there, and therefore you can understand you have the formula CaCl2. So CaCl2. Now what happens? Calcium lost 2 electrons, so it becomes +2, and then chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. This is 1 chlorine. Now this chlorine become -1, and like this we have 2 chlorine, so we can directly write 2 here. And then finally what we got? We got Ca +2 and then Cl -1. We have 2 altogether, and now we can see, always the total positive and the total negative should be equal. Now you can understand, here you have +2 and you have -2, 2 chloride ions, and finally the structure becomes CaCl2. Okay, so this is the structure of electrovalent compounds. In my notes also it's given. for other compound also it's given, so you should practice.